What?
AJ7.
What the hell do you want?
We're calling today to ensure you get your best value in service. BT has the best offer for you to...
Fucking phone call up your pissing ass and get me off this. This is an ex-directly phone and that includes fucking British Telecom.
Okay.
We pay the fucking bills now. Get the fuck off my phone line. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Well, make sure it's fucking written down and don't ring me again. Otherwise, I'll come and swing your scrawny fucking neck and I mean physically.
No problem. It only takes us a couple of seconds to...
I'll cause you to go and fuck off.
No problem.
You comprehend?
Yeah, thank you for your time, sir. Thank you.
Don't ever ring again.
Right. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you for using BT. Whew. Bert, could you do me a favor and look at the last call for me, please?